Back to Nifty Media, guys. At the moment we are busy playing around with the lip. We're going to try and fit it, so run the journey. What I've done is I've just laid the lip out. At the moment I'm going to put the lip underneath the car, and then I'm going to mark out where my holes will go, and then we're going to see if we can get this thing on. Little test fit looks great. Now it's time to drill the holes, mock up the holes for the bumper, and then get this thing on. It's going to be absolutely mad. I must say, what it's looking like now is completely a dream. So guys, can't wait to show you guys what the Nifty A45 looks like. Drill some of these holes, as you guys can see. So yeah, here it comes. So there we go, first two holes have been drilled. I'm a little bit nervous, but let's just go for it. Whatever happens, happens. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've lined everything up to look pretty neat. Now I'm just going to do the marking of the holes, and then I'm going to drill the holes. You can see I've just moved the car into the position where I can drill the holes and get everything, because I don't have a lift or anything like that, so I'm doing everything with whatever I can. So let's drill the holes and then we can get that amazing lip on. Come on. What I've done so far, as you can see, I've drilled 1 or 2 holes. Wait, there we go. 1 or 2 holes. So now let's put the rivet nuts in, and then yeah, let's get these things mounted. So welcome back, fam. What I'm doing now is I'm just lifting the A45 slightly because I can't seem to get to the one side. It's a little bit low. Okay, so now I've lifted it up. Hopefully that helped. So we're back to putting the walnuts in. As you guys can see, all nice and solid, flush. Everything's looking good. I can actually now drill into the bumper and screw to the bumper without going away. So that's how I put it in. I put in the walnuts by putting in a bolt like that, and then I screw that tighter, and then what it does is it squishes the back. So just a little bit of process. We're back at it again. I've finished the walnuts on the front bumper. So now I'm just going to quickly put the front lip on. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so let's pop on the front lip. Okay, getting back into getting it into its place is often difficult. But let's see. Okay, using the little jacks as my guidance. Okay. See, finally the lip is fitted. You guys can see hands are dirty. Pretty much, you know, you can say a good day's worth of work, but everything's fitted nicely. The lip looks good. It's pretty solid.